And over there, the white car, my son is also doing his own project. Is parked at the street. Installed. Success.
Can you hand me the small zip ties, please?
Small one.
The bundle.
Bigger than this one. There's white and
The whole thing, yeah.
oh my gulay, too hot. They have this place, Donkey.
What?
A new place. I think it's somewhat Italian. Restaurant. They have like nice. They just opened in Canadenesis, Canadenesis, PA.
Yeah.
And their restaurant is by the stream. I wanna go there. They have like prosciutto, salad, something. And their prices are not expensive. It's just right. Reasonable right there. Reasonable price. Ang pizza nila is like $22. Parang maganda yung place kasi may stream. Canadenesis. Matthew, are you familiar with the Canadenesis ba yan? PA? Ha? It's a red ant. Bite you. Maybe they could see also your
What?
nose.
Yeah. With long screws.
They see your nose hairs too. Right there.
No, I need a longer one.
Asan?
It's inside.
I don't see any screws.
Because I have screws here.
Maybe there.
No, it's
What about this? Any screws in there? So much tools. He has to find some longer screws. Hello everyone, I got 5 viewers. Thank you for the thumbs up. I might have pressed something, that's why no one... Can anybody comment so I would know it's, my comment section is working? Please, 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 pretty please.